Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making roasted asparagus, but I'm going to roast these in the air fryer. I know I've been doing a lot of air fryer recipes, but I am loving the way things cook up in the air fryer and how easy it is to use. And honestly, most of the time it's really easy to clean too. And generally, it doesn't take very long to cook whatever it is I'm wanting to cook in it. I think this will be a good way to cook asparagus. I'm hoping so. Let's get started. Gonna cut the icky ends off of my asparagus. Those two have ickier ends than this one. Didn't think any of the asparagus looked too great this go around, but that's okay. You guys are probably going to be shocked as heck to know that Jessie will eat asparagus. Not a lot of it. That's why, and I don't really like a whole lot of it either, and that's why I'm just doing this little small batch. It's going with our meal, so it'll be plenty. Next, I'm going to take some olive oil and just kind of sprinkle it across. I'm probably going to get messy doing this one because I'm going to have to probably use my hands to stir all this around. Then some salt. I'm going to use Parmesan Romano mix. And some panko Italian seasoned breadcrumbs. And I'm going to toss that all around and try to get them kind of somewhat covered. Went ahead and sprayed my air fryer pan. I'm going to take my asparagus and just carefully as possible lay these in. I may have to take some of my breading stuff here and kind of put it on top of them, just so, you know, they come out a little better than this, because they're kind of nakey. I don't know really how you're supposed to get that stuff to stick. I thought I mean, it is a little bit, it's just not as it's not sticking as much as I want. That's what I was trying to say. So I think I'm going to just kind of sprinkle this over the top of them like that. I want them to have some coating. Some of it is falling down in, that's okay. You could always put some aluminum foil or something on the bottom, or if you use the silicone air fryer thingies or whatever, like the paper ones, that would keep it all from falling down in. I think that's pretty good. I am going to put these in on the air fryer setting at 400 degrees and for 10 minutes, and that should be good. It is 7 to 10. I'll have to check them before the 10 minutes actually hits to make sure that they're not getting too done. Once they're finished, I'll show you what they look like. Thanks so much for watching. Happy eating!